Hi everyone, so I'm back today to share another journal with you. This one is another big chunky one. I literally just put the topper on, so it's not kind of quite stuck down yet. And I'd run out of Fabri-Tac, so it was tacky glue. So it's going to take a while, right? So if you see me keep doing that, that's why. Okay, so it is a fabric cover. It is a Grungy Butterfly journal. 3 signatures. There is 88 pages front and back. It will be listed in my coffee shop. I will put a link to the listing below, and for today only it will be at a reduced price. So I think I might have to put some more glue on there. I just want to get the video done so that I can crack on with other stuff. So we've got a simple topper on here. There is cardstock with digital paper, this corrugated paper, butterfly, the journal word there, a little bit of crochet trim, and she is from a freebie in my shop. So I found this lovely piece of fabric there which I stitched on. Normally when I do them, I normally set it like that and put heavy stuff on it. So as I say, it's got a grungy feel to it. It has got butterflies, it's got tags and all sorts of stuff. So here we've got a little girl. She's from Ruby&Pearlxo, and this book page is a vintage book page, and I think it's about 100 years old. Got a little cluster here, then here this flips right out like so. So you've got journal space, you could put photos on there. This tag here is from ARTYmaze, and the papers, this paper is from the old design shop. This is from Bohemian Crafting. We have got, that's a freebie. This image here is a freebie on my coffee shop. These labels are from Tracie Fox. Here's my gluey fingers. I stitched all around that as well. Little stitched pockets. These are from the old design shop. Some paper ruffle here. Big pocket there. I might put a butterfly on that actually. I think I have one somewhere. I do. Looks a bit bare. I'll go back to that. We've got a tag here and another little journal card that goes in there. We've got lined paper, and I've used my binder all to do that. This is from TaylorMadeJournals. Got a little pocket there. We've got some French ephemera from ARTYmaze. We have got, these are from Tracie Fox, and these are from Tsunami Rose. Some crochet trim. This paper is the old design shop. We've got a pocket there that's actually opens if you wanted to tuck something in there. Got some more French ephemera here from ARTYmaze. And quite a few other ladies are linked below in the description box if you want to go over and check out their Etsy store. Now, a lot of these tags that I used are from ARTYmaze, and they're from her Tag Galore kit. We've got a paper ruffle. This is from a vintage dictionary page. I've just ripped them all up and just made paper ruffles with it. So I left in the centre of that signature, you've got these pages to write in. We've got a little flip here. We've got a postcard, a tag from Tracie Fox, some French ephemera here from ARTYmaze. So the other day, well, was it the other day? Last night actually, because I've been working on this for a few days. I've got a little laptop in here, and I've got a Mac. And anyway, I haven't used the little laptop in ages, and there's things on there that I haven't quite got onto the Mac yet. So I thought, right, I'll put the little laptop on to print some stuff out. And for the life of me, nothing would print. When I realised that the cable wasn't connected. Sat for about two and a half hours last night trying to figure it out, and it weren't till today that I realised that the cable wasn't plugged in. Silly me. Little tuck here, little cluster there, another little image there from Ruby&Pearl. Little pocket there. That flips out like so. We got a little, that mark is actually on the book page from the actual book. That could have been, I mean, when you think about that, stain could be 100 years old. Well, it probably is. The centre signature is just for writing, because, you know, if I'd have done that like these, it would have been, oh, so chunky. So that's just journal pages. We've got a mixture of plain and lined, but it's all been coffee dyed or tea dyed, one of the two. Got a little tag here, and that is from TaylorMadeJournals. This is from ARTYmaze. There we go. That is actually open there, so if you wanted to, it's like a double tuck. And then that opens right out again there. There's fluffy bits everywhere. And that is ARTYmaze. You can hear my squeaky door downstairs, that is. Trim here, got a tag and a journal card there. And these do have full stitching on them, but I've actually stitched them as well because I've backed them. Paper ruffle, another one of these. Do like them butterflies. Like I said, they're a freebie on my coffee shop. Here we've got some ephemera. That's ARTYmaze as well. And we have a tag and a little tuck here. Some more pieces. That's ARTYmaze as well. Dictionary page ruffle. Excuse my voice, I don't know what's going on with it. The tree at the back, I think I mentioned that earlier in another video. The tree at the back is blossoming, and this is when I get my hay fever really bad. When it's tree pollen, I'm generally allergic to, so right now is not a good time. I'm not actually allergic to grass, which is good. Here, this is just a little image from Ruby and Pearl, and that's just some like gold shimmer spray that I sprayed on that. We've got a tag, and we have this from ARTYmaze. And we have a butterfly on there. We have another one of these. Is that opened? It's open there. Dictionary page ruffle. That flips out. We've got another tag there. And that's just holding all that there. Then here we've just got a couple of pieces. They're all from the old design shop. The labels, they're so cute. I love them labels. And then here at the back we've got a flip out there. That's a vintage book page, and that is, oh, you know what? I don't even know where they are now. This, I'm going to put one of these in there. So I made these, got a video on them. That's in my let's make. I'm only going to use one that I'm going to, because I'm trying to keep quite a collection of these bits and bobs. Where shall we put that? Shall we put it there? Yes, we shall. And we'll just paper clip it on. So there we go. That is the journal. I have to glue that down a little bit more, like I said. Well, what it needs some weight on it, just to keep it down. But that is the journal. Another little chunky one. So yeah, this will be at a reduced price for today only. What's today's date? The 21st. And 21st of March 2024. How did it get to this? How did it get to this? Gotta move all that out of the way now. So, any questions, just ask. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.